Today for dinner, we're gonna be making some barbecue chicken. This is old school classic barbecue chicken, and we're doing it on our Oklahoma Joe's Bronco drum smoker. The thing is so awesome for this type of barbecue because it gives it that fantastic open pit flavor. So let's get started. As you can see here, I just got a couple of packages of chicken leg quarters. This has the thigh connected to the drummy still. These aren't the most beautiful ones in the world, but we're not trying to win any prizes other than the taste at the end of the night when we have dinner. So I'm just gonna kind of straighten these out just a little bit, and we're gonna add some rub to it. Now we did create our own rub here. You can see in this bowl, we have some AP seasoning from Killer Hogs. We have some sugar. I actually used the Lakanto monk fruit sweetener, cumin, chipotle, chili powder, and what else?
Celery salt.
And celery salt, and one more thing. What was it?
The granulated onion.
The granulated onion. I'll put it all in the description below, but we're gonna add this here to my shaker as soon as I mix it up just a little bit. And as soon as we get into the shaker, we're gonna put a nice even coat onto all of these chicken quarters, and we're gonna get them out onto that Oklahoma Joe Bronco. I've already got it fired up. It's rolling coal. I'm using some post oak for this one. I got my hands on some post oak and I chunked it out so I can put it in the drum smoker in the Kamado, and the smoke is smelling great. We're gonna be running this at 275 today. So we got all of our spice into this shaker. This thing's so handy for just coating evenly, and you can see I'm putting a nice coating on this chicken. We're gonna go, this is presentation side here. So I should do this second, but that's okay. We're just eating this at home. Just putting a nice layer. And we're gonna be basting this as it cooks. So you can see I'm adding on a pretty good layer. We're covering it pretty good, but a lot of this is gonna come off. We want the salt in there to crisp out the skin, but when we baste this with our zesty, vinegary basting sauce, a lot of this might come off. A lot of it's gonna stay. We'll see. All right, that's side one. Let me get these flipped, and we're gonna do the same thing to the other side.
Hello, beautiful thighs.
Ooh. All right. As you can see, we have the Oklahoma Joe fired up to about 250. Now I'm actually gonna be taking this up to 275 to 300, but I'm gonna get this chicken on to start cooking it now. You can see we're rolling coal. We've got that post oak in there, and it's just lit up. We're gonna go ahead and spread this around. I'm gonna try and fit all these on here.
Smells good.
Yeah, these are gonna be so good. Room for one little one? I think so. We should have just chucked this one. It's so annoying to get it away from my temp probe. We're gonna close this down. We're gonna let that post oak roll on it, and we're gonna check back in about an hour and take a look at the skin, take a look at how it's doing after we get it up to 275. All right, so we've had these on for about an hour now, and you can see how good those suckers look. What we're gonna do is give them a nice mop. We're just dredging through this mop we made. I'll put the recipe for the mop below in the description, and it's just a vinaigrette mop. I mean, it's awesome. It adds so much flavor. I mean, you could use this stuff on just about anything. Really good. You can see I'm just adding a little bit right on top, letting it drizzle. And now we're gonna flip them over. Let's see if we can fit all these suckers. I'm using my long tong silvers.
Oh, wow.
All right, let's get some vinaigrette on here too, or some mop rather. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop.
You use the Post Malone wood?
Yeah, it's Post Malone wood.
Nice.
For that flavor. Man, this is gonna be some good ass chicken. I'm gonna stick a probe in. I wanna see what's going on right here in the middle of that guy. All right, we're gonna come back out in about 20 minutes and mop this again. It's been another 30 minutes. We're coming out to check on the progress we have here. I'm gonna flip these over. And now we're going to add the mop on.
Smells awesome.
It does smell really good. We're gonna close this down and come back out in about 10 minutes and put some sauce on it. All right, so it's been another half hour. We're gonna come out here and sauce this up. We're just putting some of that delicious barbecue sauce on there. I just mixed a little vinegar sauce with a little regular barbecue sauce, and we're just drizzling it on.
Smells amazing.
Does smell pretty good. All right, we're gonna let these go and caramelize up, flip them, do it again, and then we'll be taking them off. All right, so we're getting to the tail end of this cook here. These are at about 165. We wanna bring them up to 175. I'm just putting the rest of the sauce on here and getting them nice and happy. These are starting to look killer. I already did the back sides on these. Yeah, it's,
so good.
the smell is crazy good. So the last one I haven't flipped yet. This little guy. I'm gonna get him nice and happy too.
Doesn't matter. Still gonna get eaten.
Yeah, either way you're getting them. Yeah, the skin really wants you to pull back on this one. That's okay. Chicken's gonna be good no matter what. Those look delicious. All right, we're gonna get it closed down, bring it up to temp, and take these off. All right, these should be done. They are looking mighty fine. 170. Let's check right here. Oh, that one could go a little bit longer. Almost there. We're almost there. Yeah, 165. We'll give it another 4 to 5 minutes and these will be done. So we are checking the temps on these. We're about ready to take this delicious looking chicken off of here. Let's get a reading. These are done. Let's take them off. We're gonna bring these in and eat them. Long Tong Silver.
Come on, Master Pit Smoker. Let's move it.
You're gonna grab them by their little legs.
Their little tiny legs.
They're a little warm.
Oh, oh, look at that.
Yes. All right, let's bring these in. Take a look at them inside. This barbecue chicken smells delicious, and we are ready to try this out. I have this piece right over here, and we are ready to slice into it. Wow, that was easy. So I just separated the drummy from the thigh. Let's try this thing out. Oh. Oh, man.
I would say that's very tender chicken.
Oh. That is delicious. This is such good chicken. Seriously. Let's check that thigh meat out. Little piece of thigh. It's got that perfect barbecue flavor that you just want. Man, I can taste the rub that's on there. I can taste that mop is awesome and tangy. The sauce just puts it over the top. And in the meat, that post oak is just shining through. What a great way to make chicken. Definitely try this one out. You'll want to taste this. This is awesome. Check it out.